you through the steps of me going to the store to buy the fabric, me cutting the pattern, me sewing the bathing suits. I've showed you what the bathing suits look like on my mannequins, but now the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys what the bathing suits look like on me. Welcome back to my channel. It has took me a couple of days for me to record this video.
Several days later.
Alright, I know I look a little crazy right now, and it's been a couple of days since I was recording. That's why I did have a different outfit. So I was showing you guys that I had went to the store and I had got some material, and now I'm about to show you. Really, Teddy? Stop. Go to bed. So I didn't get a chance to show you guys what I was working on because I got carried away. I got carried away working, so therefore y'all didn't get to see how I make this bathing suit. So I'm just going to show a little snippets of how I make this bathing suit, and it's probably going to be in a fast forward motion, just so you guys can see a little bit, and then I will show you guys the finishing product.
Two hours later. The next day.
Alright, so today's a different day, which is why I'm wearing something different. I know it's taking me a couple of days to film this video, but so I'm working on my very last swimsuit. Alright, so I know I have fuzz all over me, but I'm finishing up the bucket hat. Almost. I'm just gonna sew this together, and then I will sew, because this is like a you have to sew 2 parts. So this is the furry part, and then the other part is the silky part, which I already finished. So I will show you what that looks like in a minute, and I'm gonna show you when I put it together.
One eternity later.
So this is the bathing suits that I make. This is my new little collection or whatever. Let me back her up a little bit so you guys can see. It is a teddy material, and it has a matching bucket hat. You don't have to purchase the bucket hat with the bathing suit. It is an optional thing. Don't mind Teddy back there, because he just doesn't care that I'm shooting a video. Anyways, so yeah, that's one of the outfits that I made, and let me show you guys the other one. And this right here is the other bathing suit that I made. This is the one I made the other day, which I didn't record the whole process of that, but it's the same exact bathing suit. So this bathing suit here is called Safari. She is so cute. And then I have the other teddy material. This is called the Teddy bathing suit, naming after him, Teddy Brewski. Hey Teddy Brewski, you like that I named the bathing suit after you, stinky boy? Oh my goodness, get off my bathing suit though. But yeah, so I named it after him. Oh yeah, let me show you guys the inside of the material. Look, so soft and silky, so stinking cute. And this is the same way. This also has the silky material on the inside. I did make this one with leather straps, but they're all gonna have these straps going forward. This was just like my first sample bathing suit that I made with this material. I originally liked the idea of the leather straps. If somebody wants leather straps, I would definitely give them the leather straps. It looks really cute, but it's not really what's the word I want to use? It's not as conventional as I wanted it to be, because it is like a leather material. It does come undone very easy, and that's not necessarily a good combination.
Several days later.
It has took me a couple of days for me to record this video, but I'm finally at the end. So I took you through the steps of me going to the store to buy the fabric, me cutting the pattern, me sewing the bathing suits. I've showed you what the bathing suits look like on my mannequins, but now the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys what the bathing suits look like on me. Okay, originally I was not planning to do this, but I decided why not. I want you guys to see, even though you guys seen the bathing suits on a mannequin, I want you guys to see what they look like on a real person. Okay, don't forget to hit the like button, write a comment, subscribe to my channel, tell me which bathing suit you like best. Okay, and then I will write down in the description below my Instagram and my clothing Instagram as well, so you guys can slide in my DMs and you guys can place your order for a bathing suit. If you are a female, my bathing suits are custom. They are made to order, so if you guys want to order bathing suits, my bathing suits go from extra small to extra large. The bucket hat is you don't have to purchase the bucket hat. The bucket hat is optional, or it's custom. Okay, so if you just like the top, or you just like the bottom, or you just want the bathing suit, or you want the whole thing, whatever you want to do, you can definitely do that. Like I said, these are made to order, custom sizes. Okay, if you are a guy, order this bathing suit for your girl. Okay, it's different, it's unique, and support me, support my business. This is what I'm doing, and like I said, I want to take you guys along my journey. So yeah, I'll be back. All right, this is my first bathing suit. It's so cute. It's a little furry bathing suit. Love it. Hold on, let me back up the camera a little bit so y'all can see a little bit better. Okay, so this is what it looks like. These are the bottoms. They are like some little like chickens, and super cute. Hold up, let me fix the camera again. Okay, so I'm standing on my tippy toes so y'all can see. Okay, little cheeky bathing suit, little cheeky moment. They are furry. Do have a little furry hat that goes with it. Okay, like I said, this is a 2-piece bathing suit with the matching bucket hat. Super freaking cute. I love it. I don't want to say it's my favorite because of course I love all my bathing suits, but I love this little black and white moment. It is super duper cute. Make sure that you guys write in the comments down below what you guys think about my bathing suit. And let me take the hat off so I can show y'all. The inside is silky, and it looks like that because I actually wore it already and I got makeup on it. But so it is like a silky material, and the bathing suit looks the same. So it does have like a little silky material, but I freaking love it. It is so different, it is so unique, and I don't want to toot my own horn or nothing, but it's cute AF. Okay, so let me try on the other bathing suit for y'all. Okay, I'll be back. All right, this right here is my second bathing suit. I think this one is the one that I showed you guys more of the process of how I made this, but yes, this is so freaking cute and I love it. I love it so much. I just love it so much. I don't really care what anybody has to say. Well, I don't want to say that because I do care about y'all opinion. I want y'all to write down in the comments below what you think about this bathing suit. But I think what I love about this bathing suit is just so different. It's so unique. Like, I've never seen a bathing suit like this, and that's what makes me love it so much. And just like the other bathing suit, it's the same type of like little silky material. So it's a silk on the inside. So cute. Same style, same bathing suit, just a different material, same cheeky little back. Love, 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 love this bathing suit. So stinking cute. Make sure you write in the comments below and tell me which one you like better. These right here are going to be like the main, like the creme de la creme of my new little collection that I have. Now I did make one more, and I will put it on for you guys just for y'all to see. And tell me, write down in the comments below and tell me what you think. Should I come out with this bathing suit or not? It is like more. So this is the other one. It's a furry material. Hold on, let me show y'all. It is a different material. So y'all see, it's like furry. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like furry but not furry. Y'all see, like, it's like stringy material, right? And it's silky on the inside. So stinking cute. This one is like a teddy bear material, literally. Y'all can see it's literally a teddy bear material. And then on the inside is the same silky material. Really, really cute. Now the last bathing suit is more furry, okay? More furry than these, okay? So that's my zebra bathing suit. I think I'm gonna call that one Safari. And then this one is a teddy material, so I'm gonna name this one the Teddy bathing suit. Name him after him, my little doggy. My little dog, his name is Teddy. So this one's gonna be the Teddy bathing suit. And the last one is more furry. I don't know what I want to call that one. I don't even know if I want to put that one out because it is like a little over the top, bit much. But you know, there's nothing wrong with being a bit much, you know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with being a bit much. It's very different. But I'm gonna try that one on and show you what that one looks like. All right, y'all, so this right here is the third bathing suit in my capsule collection. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the collection or not. The other two for sure, like, I love them. I think they're so cute. But this one, I'm still feeling a little undecisive about it because it's like, it is a furry bathing suit, but it's like really, really furry compared to the other two bathing suits. And it doesn't even have a name. It is like a cow print material, like pattern type of situation, but it does not have a name. It's literally the same style as the other one. It's just a different fabric. Make sure that you guys write it down in the comments below if I should add this bathing suit to my little capsule collection or not, because I don't know. All these bathing suits that I'm showing you guys are sample bathing suits. They're bathing suits that I made for myself so that I can try them on and see how I feel about the material, the fabric, the look, the style, and all that good stuff. My swimwear line is a handmade swimsuit line, which that means that it's made to order. So I literally don't make the bathing suits until you place an order, then they will be made for you. So as you guys can tell, my little sewing machine's back here. So these are custom pieces. very unique. You're not gonna find nobody with this, you know, because they would literally have to come to me to get a bathing suit from me. I did make a hat for this bathing suit as well, but I don't know how I feel about it because it's just kind of like way too furry. Like, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm short, I don't know. It just like, but you see the bathing suit, it does match the bathing suit, and when you look at it like this, it looks so freaking cute. But I don't know, when I put it on my head, it just didn't look right. But you can get the matching hat with the bathing suit. You don't have to, it is optional. You could just get it by itself. With any of my swimsuits, the bucket hat is optional. But yeah, it's really, really cute. I really want to get you guys input, so make sure that you guys hit the like button, write a comment, let me know which bathing suit is your favorite, and let me know, should I produce these bathing suits in my little collection capsule, or should I maybe not to do that? Okay, with that being said, thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Like I was saying before, my social media link, social media handles will be written down in the comment in the description. So you will have my Instagram, and you will have my clothing Instagram as well. Like I said before, hop in my DMs if you want to place an order for a custom piece. So thank you so much for watching my video, and hopefully y'all will follow my journey, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.